Red here, and welcome back to another Ginger in Japan video. Hey, it's Tasty Tuesday. I just got off the train and I am starving. If you've watched any of my videos before, you know you can just about get anything out of the vending machines. Actually, that playlist will be popping up right about now. But I've never seen curry. That's right, curry out of a can in a vending machine. Stay tuned. Ooh, they got curry. So I found a semi-secluded park near me. Sorry for the road noise, can't help it. But let's try this curry. Alright, so right off the bat, it's a Indian style curry, not a Japanese style curry. So if you like Cocos but don't like Indian curry, it might not be for you. It is hot. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Alright. I'm going to give it a 7.9. And the only reason it's not higher, there's no chunks of beef or chicken in this. It's a lot like a buttered chicken curry. But there's no, I mean, they can't put beef. It's just straight up curry sauce. And obviously no naan to dip in. So 7.9. It's pretty delicious. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. After all, it's free. Leave a comment. I answer each and every one. Till next time, thanks for watching.